Every movement around us tells a story. The push of a swing, the pull of magnet, the grip of our shoes on the ground. Behind all these everyday actions lies the invisible power of force and friction. Today, we are diving into the world of force and friction, two invisible heroes of our everyday life. Starting with, what is force? Force is a push or pull that changes the motion of an object, like pushing a swing, pulling a door, and kicking a ball. Coming up to the types of forces, there are two types of force. Contact force, which requires physical touch. Muscular force and frictional force lies in this category. The other one is non-contact force, which acts from a distance. Gravitational force, magnetic force, electrostatic force lies in this category. You must be thinking, what is friction? As I told earlier, it is a contact force. Friction is a force that resists motion between two surfaces. It always acts in the opposite direction of a motion. Even surfaces that appear smooth are rougher at a microscopic level. Tiny bumps and valleys on surface interlock and push against each other, creating friction. So friction is a force that resists motion between two surfaces. For example, rubbing hands together, brakes, stopping a bicycle, shoe gripping the ground, and many more. If we talk about types of friction, there are four types: static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, and fluid friction. Static friction is the force that resists the start of motion between two surfaces. It acts when an object is at rest and a force is trying to move it. Let's see how it works. You apply a force to an object. Static friction responds by pushing back with equal force, keeping the object still. As you increase the force, static friction increases too, but only up to a maximum value. Once your force exceeds this maximum, the object moves, and static friction is replaced by kinetic friction. Sliding friction, also called kinetic friction, is usually less than static friction, which means it's easier to keep something moving than to start moving it. Occurs when two solid surfaces slide against each other. Unlike static friction, which prevents motion, sliding friction comes into play after motion begins. It's the reason why you need to keep pushing a box to keep it moving across the floor. Rolling friction or rolling resistance is the force that opposes the motion of a rolling object on a surface. Unlike sliding friction, which involves dragging one surface over another, rolling friction occurs when an object rolls, like a wheel, ball, or cylinder. Fluid friction, also known as a viscous drag, is the force that opposes motion through a fluid. It acts between fluid layers moving at different speeds, like in water or air. On objects moving through a fluid, like a swimmer or aeroplane, this friction is due to the viscosity of the fluid, its internal stiffness or thickness. Understanding them is not just science, it's understanding the rhyme of a universe itself. Keep observing, keep questioning, and let curiosity be the greatest force driving you forward. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.